It's the first time that two cities have come together, which has never happened before.
My friends are like, you're omnipresent. It's like the show. If you're not there, they're talking about you. If you're there, they want to talk to you. So
If you are uncomfortable just the way you talk to us, just tell them that you don't want to be put in a spot, which we made it very very clear.
It's been overwhelming for all of us. I mean, we all got into it, and season three would not have happened if it wasn't for season one and two. So these two seasons have been superbly successful, and only because of which there is a season three.
Yeah.
So let's not take that away even for a
They are
second.
the OGs.
And yeah, they are the OGs. We may have been excess baggage, which completely excelled and completely took over, maybe. And you know what? I think it's been a huge surprise for everybody. But there was a thought process where Netflix also, for the first time, got two cities together. They've never done this together. There are a lot of reality shows of the same genre. And it's always been city centric, whether it's New York, whether it's LA, whether it's, what I'm saying, Dubai, etc.
Yeah.
It's the first time that two cities have come together, which has never happened before. Two seasons of the four OGs, and they were brilliant, but they obviously wanted to carry this on. And I think it was whoever had this idea is absolutely brilliant because it really worked. Love has been from literally Sydney to Miami and everything in between, and one didn't expect it, and all very positive, you know what I mean? And Shalini's made this point very, this thing, I think what she said, and I'm going to repeat it, is that it's a women's, there's 7 women.
yeah,
It's about women and women's
about
lives,
women.
and
Yeah.
whoever, what we have is whether it's mothers and wives, ex-wives, whatever it be. I mean, this is all apart, and I hope actually that people, women, young, old, middle-aged, I hope they get inspired.
I just follow my dreams and I do things for the joy of doing things. Like I do, like if I'm painting or I'm singing, I'm not there to like make money or, like compete with anyone. I'm just doing it for the joy it brings me in that moment. Some of my friends said, the thing is that with you, it's like you are so unaware of what's happening around you. You are like this in a bubble. My friends are like, you're omnipresent. It's like the show. If you're not there, they're talking about you. If you're there, they want to talk to you. So I think that omnipresent quality is something which, I don't know, that's what my friends are saying, that you're omnipresent, you're everywhere. So I don't know what it is, but it's sort of like caught people's imagination. And I think it's more about just being so carefree that I think people have become so like everybody has an agenda. So you talk to somebody because you have an agenda. You're nice to someone because you have an agenda. You're not nice to someone because you want to make a point. With me, I'm like, I can walk out of a conversation because something has struck me, or I'm suddenly feeling hot, or like getting irritated with the mosquito or something, and I'll just walk out of a conversation. It's got nothing to do with the person. But and that's people are like, but she just walked off, or she's like, I was talking to her and then she just just did something else, and it's just that like that's who I am.
So I think Shalini is very naive, but even like on the show, like where Kay and we were like trying to, tell her that, it's not like we came from a good place where we are trying to tell her that, maybe, the girls are sort of fascinated with and they want to get to know you more. If you are uncomfortable just the way you talk to us, just tell them that, you don't want to be, put in a spot, which we made it very very clear. So I mean, I know Shalini has a good heart and she's a lovely person, but who likes to be put in a spot all the time, just for what entertainment, doesn't work like that.